Hi, this is Steve. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track how many people click the call to action button on your landing page or enter their email in your opt-in page before they're redirected to your affiliate offer. If you haven't watched either the video on using landing pages with affiliate networks or the video on using opt-in pages with affiliate networks, you'll want to watch at least one of those for this video to make any sense. If you recall, at the end of both of those videos, I pointed out how it would be necessary to use a tracking pixel to record whether a visitor actually clicked on the call to action button of your landing page or opted into your email list. The only problem in using a tracking pixel is that if the next page in your funnel is the entry page to the affiliate network, as it is here, you can't normally install a tracking pixel on that page. So what do? Well, you've probably seen websites where after you've opted in, you're taken to a page that looks something like this that says, if you're not redirected within 10 seconds, click here. In this setup, what the web designer has done is put an empty page between the landing page or opt-in page and the affiliate network for the sole purpose of firing a tracking pixel. Now that works, but it's clumsy. What you really want is to get that same effect, but totally transparently without your visitor ever seeing that interim page and without any delay whatsoever. That's where Clickmagick's pixel code technology comes in. It allows you to fire a necessary pixel when there isn't a page to insert it on. So let's see how you would do this in the context of a funnel that leads into an affiliate network. Instead of an interim page, you would instead insert a Clickmagick tracking link between the landing page or opt-in page and the entry page to your affiliate network. The first thing to notice here is that your landing page or your autoresponder's thank you page must be changed to point to the new pixel code tracking link. The second thing to notice is that the primary URL of the pixel code tracking link needs to point to the entry page of the affiliate network. This link should be the same link that was in your landing page or set as your autoresponder thank you page. You're just shifting it from one place to the other. Hopefully that makes sense. The final step is to insert a tracking pixel into the pixel code tracking link similar to the way it was for the interim page. We do that by pasting a tracking pixel into the pixel code setting of the pixel code tracking link. That's actually what makes it a pixel code tracking link instead of a regular tracking link. With this setup, as a click passes through the pixel code tracking link, the pixel fires, registering the conversion, and then proceeds to the entry page of the affiliate network. That's all there is to it. So now let me show you exactly how we would set this up with our funnel. First, let me copy the max bounty affiliate link that we've been using throughout these videos. This is currently the link we're using as the thank you page URL with our autoresponder. We're going to need this for our new pixel code tracking link. Next, let's create the new tracking link. So let's go to the links page, which I've already got open in a tab up here. Let's create new link. For the link name, let's call this funnel opt-in. For the link ID, let's use the same thing, funnel opt-in. The primary URL is the max bounty link that we have on the clipboard, so let's go ahead and paste that in here. We don't need to cloak the link, so now let's create the link. Now we've got our tracking link, but it doesn't have the tracking pixel yet. To get the tracking pixel, we need to click on the gear menu and choose Track Conversions. Normally, for the first conversion in a funnel, you'll want to use the action pixel, which is right down here. By default, this pixel is set to record its conversions to the most recent tracking link that was visited. But when we insert this pixel into the pixel code tracking link, the most recently visited tracking link will be the pixel code tracking link itself. Obviously, that's not the tracking link we want the conversion attributed to. We want the conversion to be attributed to the very first tracking link, the one at the start of our funnel. So in this case, we need to change the attribute setting at the top to be first click, which will record the conversion in the tracking link named Antarctic Snowwater. Okay, now that we've selected first click, all of the pixels below have been updated with this new setting. So let's copy the new action pixel and we'll paste that into our pixel code tracking link. Now let's click on Track Conversions again to close this page. To paste in the pixel, let's reopen the funnel opt-in link. Let's click on Show Advanced Settings, and let's scroll down to the pixel code entry. This is where we need to paste in the tracking pixel. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now let's scroll down and click Save Changes. So that's it. The pixel code tracking link is all set up. Let's copy the tracking link because we'll need that in just a bit. Now let's go back to the diagram. For the moment, let's paste the pixel code tracking link right here. Now yours will be different. Instead of bestcoolproducts.com, yours will have your own custom domain, or you'll have cllkmg.com followed by your username. So at this point, we've created the pixel code tracking link. It contains the tracking pixel and it points to the Max Bounty affiliate entry page. The only thing left to do is to update the call to action button in the landing page or the thank you page URL in the autoresponder so that they point to our new pixel code tracking link. This is the link that you'll need to use in your landing page or autoresponder thank you page. But remember, we need to pass the click ID with this link. And because it's a tracking link, we can't use the query string approach that we use for web pages. Instead, we have to pass the click ID as a sub-ID to the tracking link. Fortunately, this is really easy to do. We just add a slash to the end of the link, followed by the first sub-ID, which is going to be our click ID. Now recall that the click ID is passed into the landing page or opt-in page through the S1 query string parameter, and that the Clickmagick JavaScript code will convert the bracket S1 bracket token in the HTML code to the actual value of the click ID. Knowing that, we can pass the click ID as a sub-ID to the pixel code tracking link by using the bracket S1 bracket token in the first sub-ID position like this. This is the full link that you would need to use with the call to action button on your landing page or as the thank you page URL of your autoresponder. I'm now going to take a quick break to install this link into my autoresponder. And by the way, if you try to install the link into your autoresponder and it says that the pixel code tracking link is invalid, just ignore that. Your autoresponder is just being overprotective. The link is perfectly valid. If you do run into this, just enter a dummy link into your autoresponder that you can easily recognize, and after the autoresponder generates the HTML code for you, simply replace your dummy link in the HTML code with your pixel code tracking link and use the corrected HTML code with your page builder. This is just a little workaround that we found is necessary with some autoresponders. Okay, so I'll be right back after I change the link in my autoresponder. Okay, I'm back. I've now installed the tracking link as the thank you page URL of my autoresponder. So let me show you how you would test your funnel with the pixel code tracking link in place. Let's go back to the links page. And here's the entry link to our Antarctic snow water funnel. Let's open it and click Preview. Now let me enter my email address, steve@bestcoolproducts.com, and click the Buy button. Okay, so now we're looking at the product page in the affiliate network. Our pixel code tracking link should have fired, so let's check the statistics to see if we've registered an action. Let's go back to the Links tab. Okay, let's click on the Refresh button to update the stats. Now if you've set everything up correctly, you should see a 1 in the action column indicating that you've had somebody successfully enter their email address. Hopefully that's what you're seeing. If not, I'm going to go through all the possible problems right now. So here we go. First, if you don't see a 1 in the action column of your entry link, but you do see a 1 in the action column of the funnel opt-in link, that means that the tracking pixel you pasted into the funnel opt-in link is set to attribute the conversion to the most recent tracking link visited, which is the funnel opt-in link, instead of to the first tracking link visited, which is the Antarctic snow water link. Just go back through this video and watch the pixel setup part again, paying special attention to the section on setting up the first click setting of your pixel. Okay, the second problem. If you don't see a 1 in either action column, but the TC count for the funnel opt-in link went up, that means that the funnel opt-in link was visited, but because no action was recorded, it also means that you don't have a tracking pixel in the pixel code entry of the funnel opt-in link. In this case, rewatch the video and pay special attention to the section on pasting your pixel into the tracking link. Let's talk about the third possibility, that the total count for your funnel opt-in link didn't go up at all. This would mean that you didn't update your landing page or autoresponder to point to the funnel opt-in tracking link, and your funnel still points directly to the entry page of the affiliate network. To fix this problem, review the part of the video that explains what link to use with the call to action button in your landing page or for the thank you page URL of your autoresponder. And finally, the fourth problem. you see that your total click counters are going up and that your actions are being recorded, but when a sale is made, you're not seeing that reported. In this case, it's probably because the click ID is not being passed through the pixel code tracking link correctly. To fix this problem, there are 3 things you need to check. 1. Verify that you've added the Clickmagick JavaScript code to either your landing page or your opt-in page. 2. Make sure the call to action button on your landing page or the thank you page URL contains the bracket S1 bracket token as a sub-ID in the call to the funnel opt-in link. And 3. Verify that the primary URL in the funnel opt-in link is passing the click ID in the query string variable that the affiliate network is expecting to see. If after trying all of these suggestions you're still having trouble, my recommendation is that you set up your funnel without the pixel code tracking link, and once you've got that working correctly, then reintroduce the funnel opt-in link. This will eliminate any problems unrelated to setting up the pixel code tracking link. As a final note, remember that as you test your tracking pixel, it will only fire once no matter how many times you try testing it. That's the correct behavior because pixels will only fire once for each unique visitor. We covered this in our video on tracking pixels, so you might want to review that video. But if you want to look like a unique visitor each time you test your funnel, the easiest way is to open a new incognito or private window. Incognito and private windows were developed to give you maximum online privacy, but they're outstanding for testing your Clickmagick links, rotators, and funnels because they have the added benefit of making you look like a unique visitor whenever you open a new one. Opening a new incognito or private window is really easy to do. Just go to the File menu of your browser and you'll typically find the menu item right next to the normal New Window command. Once you've opened a new window, you can make your test, then close it once you're done. You can read more about incognito and private windows and other testing techniques by going to the Help menu, selecting FAQs, then entering Testing into the search box. Then click on How can I easily test my links and tracking pixels? Just read through this FAQ and it will explain how to reset your unique visitor status so you can test your funnel effectively. So at this point, you should be all set up. To wrap up this video, I've shown you how to set up a pixel code tracking link specifically for use with an affiliate network to track how many people click the call to action button in your landing page or opt into your email list. If you have any trouble setting up your pixel code tracking link, simply rewatch this video, double checking it every step, and if you still can't figure out what's wrong, please contact us at our help desk and we'll be glad to help you out. This is Steve with Clickmagick. Have a great day.